I've been separating the trees from their bases and gluing them in place. A couple of observations. First off, trees are shorter once you stick them in a hole, which is actually making all of my trees seem very tiny. Kind of doesn't matter on N scale, but since I've got a lot of trees, it would be nice to have some taller trees. So I think if I had to do the trees again, I would have gotten some smaller ones. The other thing is, some of these, I'd say about 90% of the trees do separate from their bases, but occasionally I'll get one that, like this one, where I actually had to snap off the tree from the base. So once again, I wish I would have had some taller trees. Otherwise, I am doing some tree planting. All right, I think I got a little bit too much glue there, but the glue's gonna dry clear and kind of seep into the scenery, so I don't think it'll look quite as bad, but my technique, so I'm drilling the hole with the drill, and invariably some of the scenic material and some of the plaster and some of the foamular come out. So I've taken a wet cloth and just kind of dabbed it to pick up all the extra debris. There's a lot of white plaster and pink foamular, so just kind of dabbing it and getting the stuff out. I'm doing the trees exactly 2 inches apart or 5 centimeters apart, and I'm doing trees 2 and 3 at a time, trying to keep a rectangular layout because the inside loop and on this side of the mountain consists of a grove. So all the trees are regularly put in. The layout in the distance is going to have the trees in a much more irregular shape because those just happen by nature. So I'm planning on having some of the trees go up the hill and seeing how it's done.